traders, Caroline Alizan here, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, September 14th, 2011, and we are looking at the QQQ daily chart. And what a beautiful test of that upper area of resistance right here that you see here in pink. We're testing it here. We even went above it, trying to get all the way up to the 200-day moving average, which is at the 56.20 mark, and you see it here in blue. We were trying to push it all the way up there, but we never made it there. And then we tested the upper area of resistance right here at about 55.80 mark, and then we actually pull back down, closing the day below it, as well as below the 50-day moving average in this area of support right here about 55.28. So that is what happened here today. And the other thing that I see is that we're still stuck inside all moving averages. I don't like this because it's consolidation time. So we're consolidating here inside those moving averages as well as inside that rising wedge formation between these two pink trend lines. So again, a rising wedge formation is a bearish formation. So in terms for it to be confirmed, we'll have to first of all break through this area of support down here, the 54.42 mark about, and then also we would need to break through that next area of support down below, the 53.80 mark. And then we also have to close below it, and from then on we could continue lower all the way down to that area of support down below at the 55.48 mark about. The next major one would be at about 50.57, and the one down here is at the 49.65. So this is all areas of support. And also pay close attention to the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue, and it's at the 56.20 mark. And then the next one up here would be at about 56.60 mark. And then the next area of resistance right here at about 57.15. But remember, once we continue to the upside, then the rising wedge will never be confirmed. So keep that in mind. So the rising wedge is only and only confirmed if we break through all areas of support that I showed you here, and then we close below it on increase in volume. So that's what we're looking at, as well as we also have to see a confirmation on the MACD pointing south. That is what I'm looking for. That's what you also need to look for. All right, and the MACD, as you can see, is pointing north, so it's confirming the up move right here that we had on our chart today. And then also we are picking up some volume in here, and we're above the average, which is good. So we could have some continuation to the upside. So again, pay close attention to all areas of support and resistance I showed you here today. Also look for confirmation with the MACD and pay close attention to the volume. Alright, so have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.